box is kind of beat up. So we're gonna open it to see if anything is damaged. Outer box, quantity 1. Does that mean another box is coming? No, mommy has to make the bed.
I want to lay down.
No. Get up. Get up. I don't want I don't want him to get any stains on this comforter because it's like linen or something, and I'm not really quite confident in washing it, so and how it will wash and if stains will come out. Okay.
Mommy,
Yeah, boo.
you want to walk by me?
Okay. So anyway, this is the sloppy version of my bed being made. Ethan, I see your cup over there.
The cup?
Yeah, go get it. Watch out, Ethan. Hey, so as you can see, well, you can't really tell, but it's getting ready to rain, and we got a good delivery. I didn't think this was going to be coming until September 18th, and it's here. The box is kind of beat up, so we're going to open it to see if anything is damaged. Outer box, quantity 1. Does that mean another box is coming? But anyway, it's upside down, but this is my patio furniture. So I'm excited. We're gonna open it and
Cheese.
we are going to open it, see if I can put it together and sit outside and watch the rain. You wanna watch the rain?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, it's inside.
What do you think is inside? Watch yourself.
What happened?
I'm trying to. Okay, hold on. Watch out.
Did it broke?
Yo, I can't get it open. No, I have it there. You just hold.
Do it again.
Hold the bottom. Hold the bottom. So it won't. This. Okay. All right, we're getting somewhere.
Hold on. Flip it over. Flip it over. I think you have to flip it over. Flip it over.
I tried it this way. Okay, watch out so I don't drop it on you.
This part went up, so might as well flip it over. Over. Hey, let's flip it. You can just flip it over. And then
No, because I don't want it to like. Can you just hold this part, please? Like hold this instead of it. Just hold it so I can pull this. Hold it. All right, let's do it your way.
Okay.
But we already tried this way.
Flip it over.
Actually, let's just open it. Ah! could not get it open.
I fell back.
Come on, help us. Help us, Xavier.
Whoa! It's so amazing. Whoa!
Oh, I like putting anything together.
Whoa! It's so amazing.
All right.
It's so amazing.
Okay, so it definitely took me like 7 minutes to open this box and get everything out of the box, but we're finally done. So you can kind of see the finish, and so that's that. And then this is the rug that is going to go underneath, so you can kind of feel the vibe. This is what we have going on out here so far. I need to sweep the porch off. We built that the other day to put items on, and I'm definitely going to be moving it. Probably move it over there somewhere, just so it's out of the way. So yeah, so that's what the vibe is out there so far. Ethan's chair, my chair, and then a bunch of leaves and random stuff. So that's what we got going on. Okay, so we have one chair together. That's probably like 15 minutes maybe. It's so cute. Can you picture it out there on top of this? So anyway, the apartment complex just fixed that. But it is sometime later, and I wanted to do the big reveal of my patio. So here we are. Oh, it looks so good. The baby was out here, the 3-year-old was out here, so he messed with that stuff. But this plant, it's just tropical, I don't know, a tropical plant. Kind of looks palmy to me. So I got that from Lowe's, which is literally right across the street. And then this is one of those mosquito lamps. And here are the chairs. They've been out here for some time, so they're not brand spanking new anymore. There's a mosquito right there. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. These chairs and this table all came together as a set, and I think it was a little over $100, so it didn't cost that much. I got them on Amazon, and I also got the outdoor rug on Amazon. And at first I wasn't feeling the rug with it, but when I put this little black thing on it, it just tied everything together. I just needed some black accents. And what? Oh no, I left Ethan's chair out here, and it's cloth, like, and that's definitely mold, right? Oh jeez. So I'm just gonna leave that there. I have to get rid of that. But this stuff is fine, so I guess that was a little good science experiment. So yeah, this is the patio furniture. Hey guys, I wanted to come on and do a quick outro. I know normally when you do an outro you look all put together, but clearly that's not what's happening right now. I'm starting a new vlog today, so I wanted to go ahead and close out the one that you just got finished watching. So yeah, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and like the video and share it to your friends. It will really help my tiny little channel grow. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye.